Dexter. Ooh, wait. Pick it up, groove. Baby girl, watch how you move. I got them vents on my shoes. I'll pop up, put it, I lose. Wait, speed it up.
My name is Kyson. I'm here with
Anthony Shinkle
and Dylan Johnson.
And today we're going to be doing a scratch cat clicker. Kind of like Cookie Clicker
and Goomy Clicker
and Tambourine Tycoon.
And Idle Heroes.
Just any
clicker game pretty much. But today we're going to be making a cat clicker. So first we have our cat here. And first what we want to do is go to events and then get the when the green flag is clicked. And then what this pretty much does is that whenever this green flag right here, whenever that is clicked, all the code under it gets activated. For example, like whenever you put a say hello for 2 seconds and you click it, your sprite, which is pretty much the character, says hello. Next, we're going to go. So first, that cat is a bit small. So what we want to do is when we want to put the set size tool in looks and change it to around 170. And this makes it so whenever you click the green flag, it becomes bigger. And then you might want to drag that to the left so you get some room. And
so after we do that, what you're going to want to do is go to Data, the little orange one at the bottom of the first row. Go down just a little bit and click on Make a Variable. In there, there's gonna be two options: for all sprites or for this sprite only. Just click For All Sprites, not a class variable, just For All Sprites, and push OK. And we're gonna name it Cats. Or Money if you're making it. Whatever you're making, the game, you're gonna want to make a variable for called whatever you're clicking.
Yeah, just like Cookie Clicker has cookies.
If you're making a money clicker, make money.
Yeah. All right.
And then so first thing we're gonna do, after we do that, we're gonna do set cats to 0, and we're gonna drag it under the when the green flag is clicked. It doesn't matter what order you put it in between set size 170 and that. It doesn't matter. You can do it anyway. It's the same thing.
All right. So next we're going to be making, now we're going to make money by actually clicking the cat. So first what you want to do is change cats by 1. First you want to drag when the sprite is clicked. So that makes the code that's under this to activate once you click the sprite or the cat. So then you want to get the change cats by 1. And drag it under it. This is pretty much every time you click the cat, you get 1 cat. So if we click on it a little bit, see we're getting cats. Now we have 12 cats. Nope, now we have 21. Now we have 27. Okay. So now since we clicked that green flag, it set the size back to 170%, and it also set our money back. So that's how you pretty much restart in this game. Then what we want to do is we want to make these buttons that make it so that we get money every time we buy them.
And I'm going to explain how this works. So you're going to go into, you see where you see your little cap down here? You're just going to go up to the paintbrush. Actually, no. You're going to go into there. And if you scroll down a little bit, you will find an actual button character or sprite. I'm gonna call them sprites just for the sake of being correct. It's right here, button 3. That's what it's called. And we're just gonna go into costumes. That's the first thing we're gonna do. Go into costumes, delete that extra costume, and find the fill tool, which is right here in vector. You're gonna take it and you're just gonna push fill, make it black, and go into text. It's just a little big T. And type in, change the color first, actually. So if you have a black thing, make white text. Reshaping real quick. This is just for the sake of art. It makes it look better if you make it a little bit bigger, a little bit wider. It's easier to type in. Anyway, I'm just gonna drag it there. I'm gonna go click the T. It's the same place on the other side, and then you're gonna type in white. Since the button's black, you're gonna type in. Well, since we're doing cats, let's do cat shelter. And so you're just gonna type that in and put it on your button, and then under it, write cost 50. And then just drag it down to the bottom. There you go. After you do that, so let's just click the button real quick and see what it does. What? Why doesn't it do anything? It's a great button.
Well, that's because we didn't put any coding on it. So what we want to do now is when the green flag is clicked, and put a forever code on it.
That's just right inside the control, and it's the third one down.
Then you want to get an if, and then you see like this little empty diamond, and then afterwards. Then you want to go to operators, which is that little green thing, and grab an and.
And another and
put that and inside the and. And then you want to go to sensing, and you want to get a touching mouse pointer and drag it over.
Put it inside the little octagon.
And then also you want to grab a mouse down and also put that in the octagon.
Then we want to do one more thing. Go back into operators and get a greater than little octagon and put it inside that octagon.
Yeah.
And then you go into data where we were earlier, the orange one, and you see this little dot right here? That's not useless. You just drag it out and you put it in the first square. And then you go over here, then you type in 49. Because think about it. If they have exactly 50, then they won't be able to buy it because it would be, then they wouldn't be able to buy it because it would be.
So then you put a 49 so that 50 and more can buy the cat shelter. And then after that, you put a change cats minus 50.
That will make it so when they have like 100 cats, it'll make it so they have 50 cats because they got rid of 50 of them.
And doing that, we bought the cat shelter. But now you don't get anything. You just waste $50 on a cat shelter. So now we need to make it so that the cat shelter gives you cats whenever you buy it.
Well, actually, it would give you cats like a second. So every second you're gonna get an extra cat instead of having to click it.
So it'd be like an automatic getting cats, like getting money, but cats.
Right now, we're just gonna do some minor art to make it so our game looks a lot better. So what you want to do is you're just get like a whatever font you like the most, and then you're gonna go to text and type in cats or Oreos or money or whatever you want, whatever you're doing. Alright, so we got two cats typed in. It's just in the background. Just got it right there.
You can
missed horribly. So we're just gonna rearrange it a little bit.
And that just pretty much shows where the
number
currency
of cats
is.
you have. Or if you don't want to do this, you can just set it to a small readout, and it'll have the letters like whatever you named it, and it'll have your cats. Your number of cats, or
anyways,
or whatever you're doing.
After that, we want to go to the button.
Go back to the button, and we're gonna do chain. We already did the change 50, and then we're gonna go and we're gonna do repeat forever. So go into the control, and we'll click, and you see the forever is right here. So just drag it out under the change cats by 50, and go to data again, same place. Change cats by 1. Alright, and then now that we've done that, if we did that, that would mean that it would just be like forever. We would get like 1,000,000 billion cats. Because it's just like giving you 100,000 cats. And so we're just going to show you. Right now we're just getting 50 cats so we can click it. So we have 50 cats. And well,
We just had the
Sorry.
more than go on the
Sorry,
wall.
we messed something up.
Okay. So you in the cats right here. You put it in the wrong way.
If cats more than he's put it the wrong way. So.
Sorry. So now that we have 50 cats, look at that. We don't want that. That would be cheating for like a person. So to make it so that they can't do that, do change cat. Wait, put that back.
You get a forever, and then you put change by a go to data.
You're gonna do the same thing, except now you're gonna put a wait 1 second in between. I don't know what.
And then you
Change cats by 1 instead of. So let's try this one more time. Push the green flag and test out your code. So right now we're just gonna get 50 cats,
and then after that we're gonna buy the cat shelter.
and just if this didn't work, just remember it's all trial and error.
See, now every 1 second we're getting 1 cat.
Yep. So that means
So
that
then-
it worked.
So then after 50 seconds, we can buy another cat shelter.
But since our code won't allow that, we should change it to where
We should make another variable saying cats per second.
this is gonna be able to track how many cats we're getting in a second.
So instead of, if you don't want it like that, you can put it so it changes your cats by 50 and changes, well, and it sets cats per second to, let's say, every time you buy a cat shelter, you get 0.75. So that's every second. Or since you don't want to do that, if you don't want to do that, you can just do 1. So cats per second to 1. And now what you want to do is, so we want to put another when flag clicked, a forever. Wait 1 second, and then you want to put a always change cats by your cats per second. So every time you buy this, here's how you make it. So every time you buy it, it goes up. So cats per second to 1. So you want to put it as.
Okay, hold on. First, you're gonna go into operators, and the first one there is a plus sign. You're going to drag that out to cats per second and just put it in the little circle. And my friend here, Dylan, is going to show you what to do from that point.
So you take cats per second and you grab the another cats per second right here. So it sets cats per second to cats per second plus 1. So now every time you buy it, it goes up by 1. So let's test it out.
Remember, this is all trial and error. It took us a long time to perfect this method.
That's why we're kind of jittery about this. So here we go, and see, every 1 second you get 1 cat. Now say I got another 50. Now we get 2 per second. And if the player keeps doing this over and over again, eventually he's going to have a lot. So what you want to do is, nobody likes a game where there's just one button. Like, look at this. This is 1 button.
Yeah,
and
even
1 button.
even I don't like those games. Even Anthony doesn't like those games. What you do is make another button, and this time this can be called a. Yeah, you can just duplicate that one and then just change the name and how much it costs.
To duplicate a sprite, all you need to do,
Is right click it and then press the duplicate button.
if you have trouble right clicking, you can go up here to this right here. There's a stamp. Click that, drag the little stamp down to here. and click it again. This will create another duplicate if for some reason you can't double click. Right.
And so let's just call this one let's just call it a cat factory. And so we're just gonna put a black over it so we don't see it anymore. We choose white so we can actually see it. And then we're gonna call it cat factory, where they make all the cats. So we're just gonna move our font back to this, and we're gonna say cat factory. And we're just gonna put it up there, and then we're gonna make the cost maybe 100. And then we're just gonna drag that over here so that you can see it. And then we're gonna go into the scripts, and instead of just like trying to like drag all the things, it's already there for you. All you need to do is first make that a 99.
Yeah, so it's always going to be one less than what
how much it costs, so that it doesn't have. If you have exactly $100, it doesn't work like so. If you have exactly $100, it won't let you buy it. So if you put 99, then it will let you buy it. Then you want to change the cats by minus 100, and then set the cats per second plus
how many?
5.
Yeah, we're just gonna do 5, but you can do how many you want to. It's just depending on what kind of game you want. Like you can do 100 for all you
care.
So
and then
now,
by pressing that green flag, it's gonna restart the whole game, but then it's gonna add what scripts you added. So go ahead and press the green flag.
or you could just press the scripts. I'm just doing this so we can keep our cats.
Yeah.
So we can test it out.
And then, so if we click the cat factory, we lost $100. But now look how much faster we get cats. See all those. Now we're just getting a bunch of cats.
And we buy more factories.
And this process is easy. All you have to do is duplicate the button, change the prices, change the costume. Now about the background. So the background's a little boring. So
yeah, no one likes that.
So we're just gonna put this in a time lapse, give you some nice music. You can watch what we're doing.